comeback on the multi-awarded K-pop group, whose latest single, Gandalf, has already amassed over 3 million streams on Spotify, debuting at #8 on the Billboard World Digital Charts. And their music video has garnered over 5 million views on YouTube, all ahead of their EP release, But the Night, that just dropped in.
Kahit kami, nagulat kami sa paano tinanggap ng tao yung ganito. So kami parang, imbis na yung plano namin, eto, nag-isip kami ng new plans namin para mas matodo pa namin at mas ma-promote pa lalo si Gento. Na, dahil kumala siya globally, dapat yung approach namin pang global din talaga. Noong una, medyo sarado yung utak pagdating sa music na parang dapat pag-language ganito language. Pero ang music talaga, kahit anong language, mararamdaman mo yung sinasabi. Kahit na, kahit na di ba? Parang talagang wala siyang boundary pagdating sa pag-touch ng feelings ng mga tao.
The Filipino band made their debut on American television right here on the Good Day stage last year. And now they're here to perform their biggest